My dear brothers and sisters, the key words in today's readings are witness and apostasy. We heard the word witness quite often in the gospel passage, where Jesus speaks of three witnesses of John, of his Father, and of himself, that he is the light who has come in the world. And John bore witness to it. The Father also bore witness to it, and he himself bore witness that he is the Messiah, the Son of God. And yet Jesus says, you do not believe because you are in the darkness. And Jesus is a witness to God's mercy, God's love, and God's kindness. And we see it in the first reading, where in a way Yahweh is upset because of the apostasy of his own chosen people. Time and again they apostatize, and yet God has shown mercy to them. And the passage we heard today is about their freedom from slavery. Yahweh had worked wonders to free his people who were as slaves in Egypt by performing various wonders, by providing them food when there was nothing to eat in the desert, by giving them water when the whole thing was parched and dry. And yet, when they are now safe and secure in their own land, they apostatize. They say, these gods who we have made, their own hands have freed us from Egypt. And when the Lord is thinking of punishing them, or rather wiping out totally from the face of the earth, Moses intervenes. And God, so to say, repents and has mercy on them. We are in the season of Lent. We can recall today or reflect on the idols that we have within us. We may not have idols of clay, or stone, of gold, or silver. There are other idols within us that we worship. Idols of selfishness, of egoism, of pride, of self-seeking, and so on. Thinking only about ourselves, not the others. As long as we have this, the Lord can't come and show his mercy to us. As long as we have this, we can't be witnesses of Father's mercy and Father's kindness and unconditional love. Let's ask ourselves, pause for a while, and see who are the idols that we worship every day in our mind and our heart. And ask the Lord to give us the grace to wipe them out and let God's mercy and kindness be poured into our lives.